Okay, tell us what happened.
As you can see, we're in my dorm room in frickin' Pomona. Don't mind the mess. We safely made it back from our non-vacation vacation. We got the tire. It was like $80. We drove back. The car was perfectly fine. We could have totally made it to Vegas. It was just a stooped tire, knocked the car, and now we're sitting here
on a Sunday when we weren't supposed to get back to Vegas until Tuesday.
So now that sucks. And that basically sums up our trip. It cost us like $200 each, 26 hours, and all we did was drive to Baker and
turn around and come home.
So that sucks. What are you zooming in on?
I wanted you to grab it.
That's
like a minute already.
Here.
Concluding thoughts. My concluding thoughts are really world get my sandwich because this is not the way we planned it, and I feel like we knew there's a lot of signs pointing us into not going on this trip. Like, we can name them on two hands, things that happened along the way that were yelling, "Don't go!" Yet we ignored them and went anyways, and then we learned our lesson, and our stupid tire blew off. Okay, we had a creepy tow truck man who took us in the middle of the night to like the tow station in the middle of nowhere, changed the tire. He was stooped. He had like the education of a second grader, which maybe like a first grader. And then we drove on a donut to the Bud Boy Hotel. And then the next morning we had to go back to his creepy place. They didn't have the tire we needed. It was just we drove 60 miles on a donut when
you're not supposed to.
Like, we didn't even learn our lesson. It could have blown off again. Whatever. Okay, whatever.